Vipps has revolutionized how people in Norway send, receive, and manage money on the go. Launched by DNB in 2015, Vipps quickly became the country's most popular mobile payment app, setting a standard for seamless, cashless transactions. The app's core strength lies in its simplicity, linking directly to a user's phone number and bank account, making it possible to transfer money instantly with just a few taps. Whether it's splitting a dinner bill, paying for a concert ticket, or sending money to friends, Vipps makes it effortless and instant. One of the key reasons Norwegians trust Vipps is its integration across multiple banks, businesses, and government services. It's not limited to DNB customers, nearly every major Norwegian bank supports it. This nationwide collaboration has made Vipps an essential tool for both personal and business use. Over the years, Vipps has expanded beyond peer-to-peer transfers to include online shopping, invoice payments, and even in-store QR code transactions. Users can pay directly from their bank accounts without needing a card, ensuring both security and convenience. Vipps also plays a crucial role in digitalizing Norway's economy. It supports local merchants through Vipps Bedrift, allowing small businesses to receive payments easily without traditional point-of-sale systems. The platform's user interface is designed for clarity and speed, no clutter, no confusion, just a straightforward way to handle payments. With built-in security features like bank ID verification and encrypted transfers, users can confidently manage their finances from anywhere. Today, Vipps isn't just a payment app, it's part of Norway's everyday lifestyle. From public transport to charity donations and event tickets, Vipps has become the go-to solution for modern, cashless living. Its influence continues to grow, pushing Norway closer to becoming a completely digital, cardless society.